Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Dominique. I hope everyone is having a great day. I am back with another hair tutorial. If you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the family. Make sure your post notifications are on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for coming and tuning in. If you guys want to see how I got this hairstyle, make sure you continue to look. By the end of this video, you will know how to get your hair looking bomb like this using a wand curler. So, one thing I will say, it is time consuming, but the end result is so beautiful. But this hair is from Longqi hair. If you missed my initial video where I showed you guys how to get bomb luscious curls, I will link that video down below in the description box. It was a makeup tutorial plus a hair tutorial, so I will have that linked in the description box. It may be somewhere in this video so you guys can just click on it. But Longqi hair, I've had this hair for about 2 months now, so I wore it for like a month and a half before I did a video on it. And I made this unit. Is a I'm getting ready to lose my train of thought. So it's a 4x4 closure, and then I have bundles. So I have 3 bundles of hair. I will have all of the links down below in the description box to the exact hair that I am wearing today. If you guys want to see how to get these wand curls, make sure you continue to watch. So now I'm just combing through the hair to begin, and you can see these are like the natural patterns in the hair. I did have curls in it before, but even after I shampoo the hair and I condition it, it goes back to its natural state, which is like a natural body wave. To hold the curls, I'm using the L'Oreal Mega Holding Spray. And I just got this from a local beauty supply store a while ago. You want to make sure you are wearing the gloves that come with the wand curlers, because if you don't, you will burn your hands. I've done it before. And if you're curling a wig, I feel like it's so much easier to put it on a mannequin head instead of trying to curl it on your actual head. It doesn't take so long. So you just want to take a small piece of hair and just wrap it around the wand curler and just hold it there for about 15 to 20 seconds. And just hold it. You can twist the wand curler to make sure all of the heat is getting to all of the hair. And then you just let it go, and you're going to have a beautiful curl like this. So now I'm just going to go through and spray more of the holding spray on all of the hair before I curl it. And then I'm just going to take some hair, about this much, and just comb through it. And then you just want to twirl it around the wand. You just want to continue to do the same thing. Get a piece of hair, twirl it around the wand. And when you have the gloves on, it protects your hands from the heat, so you can touch the wand. You still got to be a little careful, but for the most part, the heat doesn't bother your hands when you have the gloves on. As you can see, I'm twirling the hair in a different direction. I'm twirling it towards my face, and that's because on this side right here, I want the curls to go towards my face, and I find a point in the middle where I start turning the curls in a different direction. So in the middle of my head, like, I start twirling them going the way that I want it to go in the front. So now I'm just going through fixing some curls that may have messed up or I didn't leave on as long. So I'm twisting it just to make sure all of the heat is getting to all of the hair. So now you can see I am twisting it towards my face. And I want the curls like this in the front. It just depends on the style that you're going for. So I'm just twisting it towards my face, and I want the curls to fall to the front on one side, because you're going to see how I kind of like style it in the front. I want it to have like a little hump in the front where it stands up a little bit. I'm done curling the hair, and I just took the unit off the mannequin and just applied it to my head. I didn't glue it down or anything like that. I'm going to pour these curls out and stuff, so it's not going to be looking like this. As you can see in the video, I'm just pulling a few curls apart in the front. I'm not manipulating all of the curls because I want the curls to stay looking fresh and crisp. So I'm only manipulating a few of the curls, and I go through and I kind of comb the front to kind of give me some baby hair right here. So I'm just slicking it down with some gel, and I'm going to next take my foundation, my powder brush, and I'm just going to go over it to take that glossiness away from the edge control. But that was just like something that I do. You don't have to do that. And now I'm just going to pull them apart a little bit in the front, just to make the curls look put together and not just sitting there. And I was thinking about like doing a little updo. I was like, no, I'm just going to leave it down. So this front was bothering me. I was trying to figure out how I knew how I wanted it to go, but it was not doing right. But now I'm kind of getting it right. So I just combed up the front, got my little hump in the front, and this is basically the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed. See, I told you guys this was going to be a easy but long process. So if you were doing it along with me, of course, you know, I sped up through some of the parts, but it does take a lot of time. It is time consuming, but once you get the hang of it, you kind of go quicker with it, and plus it's worth it. Like, look at these bomb curls. I absolutely love wand curls. So if you guys are thinking about achieving this look, make sure you tag me in your pictures. If you post it on Instagram or Facebook, just tag my name. My Instagram and Facebook is all right here. So make sure you are following me on Snapchat. Send me some snaps, especially if you decide to purchase this hair and you guys do like different hairstyles with it. Snap me some pictures of it. I would love to see the hairstyles that you guys come up with. If you have any other hair videos that you have in mind, let me know down below. I definitely have videos on how to make units and stuff like that. I get asked that question so much, and I'm like, I just need to sit down and show them how to make a unit. So I'll stop getting asked that question. But we have made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, let me see you put 3 hearts down in the comment section so I know that you made it to the end of the video. And if you found it useful, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. But I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Oh, plus, if you're loving this makeup as much as I am, I have a tutorial on it. I will have it linked down below in the description box and also somewhere in this video, so make sure you check it out. But I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Alright y'all, this is my song. Like me, can't control my anxiety. Ooh, taking a high like you do. Oh, never get over you. Taking me high like you do. Listen to my heart go by. Buddha,